Good day mga ka-hype! Today we are here in Cabasal Resort in San Juan, La Union, conducting the final measurement for windows and doors. So this step is crucial to ensure that all fabricated units fits perfectly, minimizing errors during installation. So our team will be conducting meticulous verification for all openings to guarantee precise and quality. So, come check this out! So before starting, we need to make sure na kompleto yung mga materials na gagamitin natin during our measurement. So, we have here the metro. Ito kasi yung kadalasang ginagamit ng mga sales natin, which is more comfortable sila sa paggamit nito. Kasi mas accurate nga naman na nakikita nila actual yung pagsukat ng ating mga windows and doors. So, ayan. Meron din naman tayong laser, pero kasi mas gusto talaga ng mga sales na gamitin yung ating metro. And then, syempre, meron tayong ball pen. Huwag kalimutan ng ballpen, ang notebook, syempre meron din tayong blueprints ng approved plans, which is kino-cross-check natin yung measurement after. So now, nandito na tayo sa site. So during final or initial measurement, kasama natin isang technical, ang ating sales na nag-handle ng project na to. Syempre, kailangan din natin i-coordinate sa architect or engineer na in charge sa project na to, which is para ma-discuss yung mga adjustment na kinakailangan sa measurements. And then, syempre, para mag-witness din nila yung mga sukat ng ating mga windows and doors. So, here, kung makikita natin, sinusukat ng technical natin ang ating windows, which is double check din nila sa blueprints natin, sa approved plans, kung tama ba yung mga sukat. Para if ever, kung ano yung mas susundin nila na sukat para maging maayos or maging smooth yung fabrication ng ating mga windows and doors. So here, sinusukat natin ang height from right, center, and then the left side. Ayan. Kung ano yung pinakamababang sukat, yun yung kukunin natin. So, depende kung mag-a-adjust sila engineer, kung pinatulong sa plano, or mag-a-adjust sila sa ating computers. Concludes our final measurement process at Cabasal Resort in San Juan, La Union. With accurate measurement in place, we are now ready for the next step, fabrication and installation. Stay tuned for further updates as we bring this project to conclusion.